So you're gonna need some LED lights, floor wire, wire cutters, something to form the Mickey ear and headband, and some flowers, glue, and a glue gun. I got all this stuff from the Dollar Tree. So I'm starting with the floral wire. They have them in plenty of different colors. They have them in green, gold, all of that. And you're going to just shape the ears. Once you have the ears shaped, you're going to, what I did was I tried to wrap the wire around the headband, but I was having a little bit of technical difficulty there. So, anyway, I ended up realizing I needed to twist it again to secure it. And I just wrapped it around the headband. I will say that you should definitely get a bigger headband. The small headband was just a little difficult to work with. But anyways, I ended up changing my headband and putting the ears on there, and I used hot glue to make sure it was a little more sturdy. It didn't feel as sturdy as I wanted it to, and I think it would have on a thicker, fatter headband. So after that, I started to wrap the wires, the LED lights around it. It is like wire, so it does bend fairly easy, and you just wrap it around until you get to the middle. Wrap that around the middle, and I'm hot gluing there. I was a little afraid to get it on the LED lights because I didn't want it to burn through anything, but cover that bad boy in glue, all right? So now you need to pick out your flowers. I really liked like a Moana kind of theme look going on, and I literally just took the flowers and stuck them around the headband to more cover the battery pack. Some people put their battery pack on the side where your ears would be. I did not like that at all, so I thought it would be great to put it in between the ears and try to cover it with the flowers. I really love the orange and the yellow and purple. So now I'm gonna make a photo album autograph book. I am starting all of this I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm starting with a little photo album that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm separating the papers, getting them ready to adhere them to the journals that I also got at the Dollar Tree. So I should have like skipped every other page and done this, but I didn't, so I'm gonna give you that tip. So I'm using a hot glue gun, and I did it on all four sides. I don't know why I didn't show you that here, but I glued it on, put a little bit of glue on all four sides, and then you just stick it right onto the page. It's pretty freaking simple. Like I said, skip more pages or remove some of the pages, and the book won't be end up being so bulky. But this is perfect because I have them sign at the bottom, and then I'm going to slide the picture right at the top. So I did one for my son and one for my daughter, and I think they turned out perfect. We threw them right in the Disney bag, and we got Mickey to sign it and Minnie Mouse to sign it. And so this is something that they will be able to collect for their younger years. And then once they get older, I'll probably buy a book, but for now this will work, and it only cost me $1.50 a book. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these 2 Disney DIYs, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.